In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about increasing the size of disk space allocated for System Restore on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Up in the top right, select the view by and select large icons, and then going down you want to select where it says recovery, and now underneath advanced recovery tools select configure system restore, and now if you want to select the configure button on this page, and you can adjust the max usage by dragging it over to the right to increase the usage on your drive that's allocated or available for system restore. And then once you're done, you would just select apply and OK to save it, and then OK again, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.